Hey guys, it's Andrew Esquivel here, back with some more information. Now, a while ago, I talked about a way to get rid of sulfur burps, which is that nasty egg-like burp you get every once in a while. Now, the previous remedy was to use Pepto-Bismol Max Strength, because the main ingredients, or one of said ingredients, in that medicine killed a particular bacteria called Helicobacter pylori, which sometimes causes this issue. Now, I want to bring up another remedy for the sulfur burps, and believe it or not, it's Alka-Seltzer. Now, this is a generic brand of Alka-Seltzer, but for some reason, this stuff really does work. I found this little solution on the internet, thought I'd try it, and holy crap, man, does it work. Pepto-Bismol is one of those short-term solutions. If you keep taking it every time you have the issue, like if it's a constant issue, don't keep taking it. It's not good for you. However, this Alka-Seltzer stuff, I've taken it once, just 2 tablets, like it says on the box, whatever your box is, read the instructions. I took the max dosage recommended on the box, and I haven't had the sulfur burps in quite some time. When I took Pepto-Bismol, I'd get it like every day, and I'd just take another swig of the Pepto-Bismol, or not a swig, but I filled a little measuring cup. And it seemed like a very short-term solution, so if it doesn't work for you, Alka-Seltzer, try it.